no more oil in my hair, ready to do some curling. So the curling iron I have at home is this Bioionic Style Winder. Ready to get started curling. I'm gonna spray a little air control all over, which will give it a little bit of hold and something just as a barrier between the heat and my hair. So, there we go. Looking good. Looking real 90s. So now that it's all up and a little bit more control, I'm just gonna lightly spritz. I'm just gonna separate that. And so what we're gonna do is just keep this as simple as possible and just take some sections within our ponytail and curl them. So holding your piece of hair, your little baby, your subsection or baby section, whatever you want to call it, hold it really tight and then start kind of like in the middle. Roll back. Get those ends nice and smooth up. Gotta try that again. This is much harder doing from a viewfinder versus a mirror, but we got this. Use the mirror behind the camera. Making a big old mess of this, but that's okay. All right, so as you can see, it's wrapped around. Just gonna let it sit for a minute. I'm kind of tapping it. Once it's warm, pretty warm to the touch, we're done. Make sure you're not touching your hairband to the heat. Nobody wants some melted rubber on their hair. All right, so once it's done, I like to kind of like click it open and shut and let it fall. Beautiful little curl. So we will grab the next little piece. Doesn't have to be the same size, can be bigger, can be smaller. This look isn't going for super uniform. So start middle top and kind of roll it down. And then you'll see me turning the base again. We start at the top or middle to the top instead of the ends because that's what needs the most amount of heat. Since the hair is in a ponytail, none of it will be actually curled all the way to the root. Okay, we're back, we're curling. My camera decided it wanted to take a little break, so we took a little break. Don't worry, y'all didn't miss anything exciting. We're still curling. And don't touch the iron with your finger. That's what happens when you're not watching what you're doing because the iron is real hot. Also, if you're like me, you burn yourself frequently. So it's good to keep some burn gel around. My younger years picked up a curling iron by the wrong end. Probably actually this one, thinking about it. Not once, but twice. And that is how I discovered what burn cream is. Or silver cream works well, but if you're gonna be using irons, make sure you've got something on standby just in case. So this is what we're looking like. Got some nice Susie cute curls going on. I'm just gonna let them cool. I'm gonna spritz them with a little bit more of this hair control, which is a super lightweight hold. Let them live their life for a few minutes and we'll be back. And back, I let my curls sit for like 5 minutes, and so we're gonna take them out of the ponytail, These fun little new hairbands I got are really fun because you can just kind of like unsnap them instead of having to pull them all the way out. Voila, magic. There you have it. Super easy, dry shampoo, quick curl technique. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me if you've tried it. Tell me if you do something different that's also super quick and easy. Also let me know what else I can teach y'all. Here to help. All right guys, till next time, it's TheReelRae. Bye.